In this episode, we're going to talk about how to withdraw your money from Fundrise. So, with Fundrise, these investments are meant to be long term. Typically, these investments have a 5-year holding period. If you withdraw early before the 5 years is up, you may be charged a redemption penalty. So, we're going to go over the redemption plan. The first 90 days, you can redeem your money or sell your shares for free. So, if you get into the investment and realize it's not the right investment or you need the capital back, you have those first 90 days to redeem them penalty free. After that, you're going to be charged a 3% penalty if you've owned the shares for less than 3 years. If you've owned the shares between 3 years and less than 4 years, it's a 2% penalty. If you've owned the shares at least 4 years but less than 5 years, then it's a 1% penalty. And once you own that investment over your 5th year, then it becomes a 0% penalty. So at that point, you can cash out penalty free. So if you plan to invest short term in these online investment platforms, I would recommend sticking with the stock market, where you can invest in traditional REITs, REIT. These companies invest in real estate and you get access to the gains and benefits of the real estate by owning shares of their stock. However, if you want to invest longer term and plan to hold on to your shares, then investing directly into these real estate projects is a better alternative to do with Fundrise. Once you've sold your shares, you have the option to withdraw the money to your bank account. Same with getting quarterly dividend payments. You can either have those chosen to be reinvested, or when you get paid out dividends, you can just have them direct deposited into your bank account.